Hey everyone, this is Serge with your Microcontroller Minutes. This is part 2 of the KeyStudio 37-in-1 sensor kit, the push button module. I'll use the Fritzing software to give you an overview of the setup, so here's what you'll need. An Arduino microcontroller, preferably the Uno version or similar, a 400 tie point breadboard, a USB cable, the push button module from the 37-in-1 sensor kit, and 3 to 6 jumper wires. Place the push button module on the breadboard somewhere around the middle for convenience, with each pin on a separate row. This means that all pins should also be on the same column. This sensor module has an error though, where the plus and minus symbols are switched on the sensor circuit board. If you connect ground to the pin labeled minus and then connect 5 volts to the middle pin, then you are directly sending 5 volts to the signal pin because these pins are connected by a 10 kilo ohm resistor. So let's try this workaround instead. Connect the S pin, your signal pin, to any digital pin. In this case, let's just pick digital pin 8. Connect the middle pin to GND or ground, and then connect the minus labeled pin to 5 volts power. Grab the USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and then connect to your computer. If you don't have the Arduino IDE software, go and download it from the Arduino website. When that is done, open the IDE, go to Tools, then Boards, then Arduino AVR Boards, and select the Arduino Uno. Then go to Tools again, go to Port, and then select the serial port where your Arduino is connected. Upload the following 16 lines of code using the Arduino IDE, and now, when you press the button on the push button module, the built-in LED pin on 13 should turn on and off with every button press. Try modifying the code. The if statement is checking to see if the variable labeled outcome will receive a value of high. Change this to low and see what happens. Once you get the hang of it, come back and join us for the next module.